Welcome to the walkthrough of the Prior Notice System Interface, or PNSI. PNSI is a web-based tool used to notify the FDA about shipments of food articles entering the U.S. In this video, we'll guide you through logging in, creating a new prior notice, and managing submissions. To get started, log in to the Prior Notice System Interface through the Online Account Administration, or OAA. From the OAA page, scroll down and select PNSI from the available system. Now let's take a look at the PNSI homepage. Here, you'll find several key sections to help you navigate the system. At the top of the screen is the top navigation bar where you can switch between Home, Submissions, and Favorites. You can also return to this homepage by clicking the Home tab. When you are ready to log out of the system securely, select the PNSI icon in the top right corner of the page. To create a new prior notice or view past submissions, use the buttons at the center of the home page, Create New Prior Notice, and View Previous Submissions and Drafts. For help and additional resources, visit the What You Need to Know section on the right-hand side. If you need assistance, FDA's contact information is available at the bottom of the page. Once you select Create New Prior Notice, a pop-up appears where you can choose the shipment type. Hover over each type to see a definition, then select the applicable type. As you start filling out the information, the left navigation panel tracks your progress. Each section has a red exclamation mark if data is missing, and has a green check mark once the section is complete. Next, complete the shipment details section. All required fields have an asterisk throughout PNSI. If you have a custom entry number, select Yes and input the number into the entry identifier. If not, the system generates one for you. Select Save and Continue at the end of each section to save your data. Then complete the carrier, mode of transportation, port of arrival page with the carrier information. On the submitter information page, select the submitter. If you are the submitter, select Creating for Myself. The fields auto-populate with your information. If you are creating for someone else, fill in all required fields manually. Next, complete the importer details. You can review the prior notice information on the Prior Notice Overview page. Green check marks indicate the section is complete. If you need to edit any of the sections, select the pencil icon in the top right corner of a section. Next, add the food articles being shipped. Select Add Food Article from the bottom right corner of the page. On the left, use the navigation panel to track your progress in creating a new food article. Select to either create a new food article or copy from a previous one. If you know the FDA product code, you can enter it directly under Product Information or use the Product Code Search feature to find it. On the Product Search Code page, you can search for a food article by the product name. Then, use the drop-down menus to select the industry, class, subclass, pick, and product. Click Select on the bottom right-hand side of the page. Type the common or usual name for the product and select Save and Continue. Next, fill in the information for the quantity and packaging page. For smaller shipments, select Package Shipment. If you have a containerized shipment, select Bulk Shipment. Enter the required information and select Save and Continue. On the Refusal Information page, select if the article of food has been refused entry by any country and complete the rest of the required fields. If the product code represents processed food, the manufacturer page opens. If the product code is for harvested food in its natural state, you land on the Growth Consolidator page. Complete all required fields and be sure to select Save and Continue. On the shipper page, use the drop-down menu to select the shipping country for the article and complete all required fields. Complete all required fields on the owner page and select Save and Continue. Finally, complete all required fields on the Ultimate Consignee page. After completing all the information to add a food article, select Review from the left navigation panel. Review the fields, and if all the information is correct, select Add Article to my prior notice submission. To confirm the addition of the food article, select Yes, Create New Food Article from the pop-up window. On the submission summary page, select the pencil edit icon or trash can icon in the Actions column to edit or remove the food article. Or you can select Add Food Article at the bottom of the page to add another food article. If all the information is complete and correct, select Submit to FDA at the bottom of the page. After submitting the prior notice, you can review the submission page for a read-only view. If you need to cancel your submission, select the Cancel Submission button. The prior notice status updates to canceled, but it is not deleted from the system. If you need to submit a holding facility, select the Submit Holding Facility button at the top of the page. Complete the holding facility information, contact information, and select a food article. Then select Add Holding Facility at the bottom of the page. To download a copy of the PDF, select Generate PDF at the top of the page and click Open or Save As. To view or manage prior notices, select the Submissions tab at the top of the page. From here, you can view, copy, or delete prior notices depending on their status: in progress, submitted, or canceled. You can also use filters to search for submissions by type, status, or dates. The Favorites tab at the top of the page allows you to save and manage frequently used entities like shippers, importers, and manufacturers. To add an entity to your favorites, check Add to My Favorites when entering the details during the prior notice creation process. You can then view and manage these saved entities by going to the Favorites tab. In this walkthrough, we've covered how to navigate the PNSI homepage, create and submit a prior notice, manage submissions, and utilize the Favorites feature. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to check out the Help section or contact FDA support. For more detailed help about PNSI, explore the resources and FAQs available on the homepage.